Again, just going to swap over my exhaust tips for some Machine Monkey ones. So just pull, twist and pull. They're just held in with some tabs, original tips. They're absolutely knackered. And I'm just going to clean that up, and then I'll get the new Machine Monkey ones fitted. So these are the old ones, and these are all going to go on there. I've got a couple of little grub screws for tightening on. So let's get them on. Then it's about putting them so that there's a nice step, making sure that they're in position. They step out a little bit more than, well, quite a little bit more than the stock tips. And I'm just going to tighten them up underneath, and but just put them in the right place, make sure that they're level, the gap in between is level, and let's see how we end up. Okay, I've put them on and I've tightened up the grub screws underneath, and they look pretty good. I mean, you can see the inside pipes, which might at some point need to be cut back a little bit, but I don't think it looks too bad.